Alright guys, let's do another quick unboxing and see what we have here in this package that I can't really tell how to open. Very interesting, very interesting. Is it because I'm opening it the wrong way? Clearly this is not the way to open a package. But we're gonna go, I usually do these like really calmly, but on this one today, we'll just manhandle this thing. Because why not? Why not? Sometimes we don't even know what's in the package. Like this time. What is this? I don't think I ordered this. Let's see. Kristoff! Another Kristoff. Yay! What does Kristoff do? I don't know. Figure it out in your own time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.
Likey.